The US dollar has long been considered the world's reserve currency, a status that gives the United States significant economic power and influence. However, in recent years, China's economic rise has led some experts to question whether the dollar's reign as the dominant global currency could be coming to an end. China's currency, the yuan, has been steadily gaining international acceptance in recent years. In 2016, the International Monetary Fund added the yuan to its basket of reserve currencies, alongside the US dollar, the euro, the yen, and the British pound. Meanwhile, the US has been facing mounting economic challenges, including a widening trade deficit, a growing national debt, and political divisions that have led to government shutdowns and budget crises, with more and more countries abandoning the dollar. More recently, Kenya and its president telling its citizens to get rid of the dollar, in a bold move to improve reliance on its own currency, due to the decline of the dollar. In addition, now Saudi Arabia this week announced it is cutting ties with the US to achieve its own economic independence. The country, along with its OPEC partners, is reducing oil production by 1.6 million barrels per day. As part of this shift, Saudi Arabia is also strengthening its connections with China through various partnerships. So, what would happen if the US dollar was replaced by the yuan as the world's reserve currency? For starters, it would likely mean a decline in the value of the US dollar. The US dollar's status as the world's reserve currency has allowed the US to borrow money at lower interest rates than other countries, and has given it a significant degree of economic and political influence. Without this status, the US would likely see a decline in its global power and influence. The United States owes trillions of dollars to foreign governments and investors, and this debt has caused many to question the long-term stability of the dollar. Another factor contributing to the decline of the dollar is the growing trend among countries to move away from using the dollar in international trade. Countries such as China, Russia, and Iran have been actively seeking to reduce their dependence on the dollar and are using other currencies, such as the euro or the yuan, instead. In addition, the Federal Reserve's monetary policy has also played a role in the dollar's decline. The Fed has been printing trillions of dollars to stimulate the economy, which has led to inflation and a decrease in the value of the dollar. All of these factors combined have led to a gradual erosion of confidence in the dollar, and many experts predict that the dollar's status as the world's dominant currency will continue to decline in the years ahead. The future of the dollar is uncertain, but what is clear is that the world is changing, and the dollar may not be able to maintain its position of dominance forever.